Welcome to our countdown of the top best old golf cart models you can still buy in 2025. Today, we're taking a deep dive into timeless models that have not only survived the years, but continue to impress with reliability, performance, and enduring style. Whether you're a longtime enthusiast or a newcomer to the classic golf cart scene, these legends prove that age is just a number. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you stay up to date with all our latest videos, offerings, and updates. Let's get started. At number 1, we have the EZGO TXT. The EZGO TXT is a name synonymous with reliability and timeless design in the world of golf carts. But as we step into 2025, does this classic model still hold its ground? Let's dive deep into the enduring legacy of the TXT and discover why it remains a favorite among enthusiasts. Introduced in 1996, the EZGO TXT quickly became a staple on golf courses and neighborhoods alike. Its design has seen minimal changes, a testament to its enduring appeal and functionality. Design and build quality. One of the standout features of the TXT is its robust steel frame, offering durability that has stood the test of time. While some may express concerns about potential rust, the powder-coated finish provides a strong defense against the elements. Performance-wise, the TXT offers a reliable experience. Users have noted its consistent speed and handling. However, it's essential to recognize that, like any vehicle, performance can vary based on maintenance and usage. Customization and upgrades. One of the reasons the TXT remains relevant is its adaptability. The aftermarket community offers a plethora of customization options, allowing owners to tailor their carts to personal preferences, from aesthetic enhancements to performance upgrades. Comparison with modern models. While newer models come equipped with advanced features and technologies, the older TXT's straightforward design appeals to those who prioritize simplicity and ease of maintenance. Its enduring presence in the market speaks volumes about its lasting value. Final thoughts. In 2025, the EZGO TXT continues to hold its own. Its timeless design, coupled with reliability and a supportive community, ensures that this classic model remains a cherished choice for many. The simplicity of its design makes troubleshooting and repairs straightforward. Plus, the availability of parts ensures it remains in top condition. Whether you're a long-time owner or considering joining the EZGO family, the TXT's legacy is a testament to quality and endurance. At number 2, we have the Club Car DS, a model that has etched its name into the annals of golf cart history. But as we find ourselves in 2025, does this iconic vehicle still stand the test of time? Introduced in 1982, the Club Car DS quickly became a favorite, renowned for its durability and performance. Its aluminum frame set it apart, offering resistance to rust and a lightweight structure, ensuring longevity. Design and build quality. The DS's design is a blend of simplicity and functionality. Its aluminum frame not only combats rust, but also contributes to a lighter build, enhancing maneuverability. This thoughtful engineering has allowed many DS models to remain operational for decades. Performance and reliability. Performance has always been a hallmark of the DS. Owners have praised its consistent reliability. However, as with any vehicle, regular maintenance is crucial to ensure optimal performance. Customization and upgrades. One of the DS's standout features is its adaptability. The aftermarket offers a vast array of accessories and upgrades, from lift kits and custom seat covers to advanced lighting systems, allowing owners to tailor their carts to personal preferences. Final thoughts. While contemporary models boast advanced features and sleek designs, the DS's enduring appeal lies in its simplicity and proven track record. Its continued presence on courses and communities underscores its lasting value. In 2025, the Club Car DS remains a testament to timeless design and engineering excellence. Its blend of durability, performance, and customization potential ensures that this classic model continues to be cherished by both longtime owners and new enthusiasts alike. At number 3, we have the Yamaha G2, a pioneering model that set new standards in the golf cart industry. Introduced in the mid-1980s, the Yamaha G2 quickly garnered attention for its innovative design and reliable performance. Equipped with a 285 cubic centimeter, 8.5 horsepower, single-cylinder, 4-stroke engine, it mirrored Yamaha's motorcycle engineering prowess. Build quality and performance. The G2's robust construction has been lauded by many. Enthusiasts often regard the G2 and G9 models as some of the most durable carts ever built, with many still operational decades after their release. Performance has always been a hallmark of the G2. Its gasoline engine delivers consistent power, making it suitable for diverse terrains and extended use without the frequent recharging associated with electric models. Customization and upgrades. The G2's enduring popularity is partly due to its adaptability. A thriving aftermarket offers a plethora of customization options, from lift kits and rear seat installations to performance enhancements, allowing owners to tailor their carts to specific needs and preferences. Comparison with modern models. While contemporary models like Yamaha's Drive 2 Quietech EFI boast advanced features such as independent rear suspension and quieter operation, the G2's simplicity and proven track record continue to resonate with many users. In 2025, the Yamaha G2 stands as a testament to enduring design and engineering excellence. Its blend of durability, performance, and customization potential ensures that this classic model remains cherished by both longtime owners and new enthusiasts alike. In 2025, these three classic golf carts, the EZGO TXT, Club Car DS, and Yamaha G2, continue to prove that quality and innovation never go out of style. Whether you're looking for a reliable workhorse, a canvas for customization, or a blend of modern performance with classic vintage charm, these models offer something unique for every enthusiast. Thank you for joining us on this journey through golf cart history. Be sure to leave a comment below on which classic model is your favorite. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss in-depth reviews like this one. I have been your host, Greg. See you next time.